everybody to Supreme Family Garden, and today we have a wonderful, wonderful video for you. We just found an original 1970 Chevy C10, original owner. Get that, guys, original owner. One, follow me, guys. I am going to show you this piece of work. This is the tow company that we use to tow this baby. All right, this is the tow company that we use to tow this baby home. It took a while, but we got her home. And this is going to be a project for one of my sons, because we have, this one's a 70, the other one I think is a 69, so we're trying to get, vintage things for the kids going. So again, when you're out and about in a lot of rural areas, look for stuff like this. Always money's worth, okay? Money's worth. There's a snake. I'm playing. I'm playing. The snake's back here. Oh, you need me to push? I gotta work now.
Watch your headphones, babe.
Got it now? A little bit more. See if I can pick it up.
I can just let go of the winch and just drive forward.
Okay. I think they take something off the price. I gotta work.
Is it still hooked up?
Yeah, see here, there's a snake skin up here.
Oh, fun. Good. Tell him I'm good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, you're the best, yes.
Minus the snake.
Minus the snake, that's right.
Hopefully he stays.
Hopefully he ran
my
in your trailer and
That's
goes
right.
home
Yeah,
with you.
yeah. Ah. Listen, your Lord's protecting me right now,
Mm-hmm.
so I don't freak out. Alright.
All right, don't work too hard the rest of the day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
It won't be able to do that, but that way it's not breaking across your concrete.
Thank you.
All right, guys, see here? Everything is original.
I had a client pick up a 67 Cadillac.
Really?
Baby blue for his postpartum wife.
Oh,
It's one of the coolest things I've ever been with.
oh wow.
Yeah. The vehicle could have been in a movie.
Yeah, this one's gonna be in a movie too.
That's right.
Supreme and Son, like Sanford and Son. That's what we're gonna have. All right, guys, now see here, all of the hubcaps, everything's all original. We're gonna get it sandblasted. This is gonna be part 1. Part 2, that's what it's gonna get good. Anyway, Supreme Family Garden, better yards, better gardens. In this case, better truck, better engine, happy, what's the happy wife, happy life, happy husband, happy life. That's gonna be the new one. Thank you, honey. May God bless each and every one of you. And again, if you see these older vehicles, look into them. It's a lot more than meets the eye. May God bless you all. Thank you so much for watching. Hey, man.